Just finished installing System 3 rims on my 2020 Can-Am X3. Rims look awesome. Really love the color on them. I actually got them from AJ Tires Tirestore.com. I'll include the link below. They shipped them out the same day and they gave me the best deal on them. Tried ordering from everybody else, but they kept on, like, they were always back ordered, so nobody ever shipped them out. They wasted almost a month and a half. So AJTiresStore.com, they actually gave me a really good deal on them, so check them out. Hey Jake, those guys ready to go for a ride. So the tires that I'm running are Mohave Rage. They're 32-inch tires by 15-inch rim. They raised it quite a bit, so it gave me a lot more clearance on it. I would definitely recommend these tires and rims. Hey Jake. Say hi. So that's the offset and all the information that you need from the rims.